Hello everyone, welcome to our channel AutoSys Engineer Hub. Today I will discuss about IBM DOORS tool. So before discussing about it, I will explain about its need. So in automotive industry, before designing system, we discuss with client about their expectations and based on that we create system requirements. Then we link these requirements to software requirements, hardware requirements, and test cases in order to accurately develop product as per the customer requirements. So that product should be developed according to the customer requirements and nothing is missed. So for this creation of these requirements, IBM DOORS is a very useful tool. So, so we will cover this tool in two parts. So in first part, I will explain about what is requirement management, what is IBM DOORS, its core concepts, and about traceability. So let us understand why we need requirement management. Because in real world systems like automotive systems, we deal with thousands of requirements, and these requirements are constantly changing, and sometimes requirements are very complex. So if we don't manage it properly, we might miss something, and the features don't work as expected, and defects will increase. So requirement management helps us in organizing requirements, track changes properly, and ensures everything is properly validated. So let us understand what is IBM DOORS. So IBM DOORS is a tool which will help us in requirement management. So in IBM DOORS, we just not just create requirements, but we also store them. So in IBM DOORS, requirements are stored as a database. Then in DOORS, we can organize like requirements in like as a projects, folders, and modules. The like in our project there are modules, like suppose in infotainment there are like multiple features like audio, bluetooth. So this infotainment is one project, and in that audio, bluetooth are modules. So like these modules, and in modules there are multiple objects indoors. So object is nothing but requirement indoors, and our requirement is having properties like status, priority. So these properties are called as attributes in DOORS. And also DOORS supports linking. So by this we can able to link stakeholder requirements to system requirements to software requirements and to test cases. So by this we can be able to provide traceability. Also DOORS provides baselines, change control, and reviews and reporting. So the core concepts of DOORS are project and folder, that are like logical containers, like I discussed before. Like for these long automotive projects, there are multiple projects. So we can create multiple projects. Then inside projects there are folders, then modules, and then requirements as an object. So module is structured requirement set where there are multiple objects, and one object is like one requirement, and one object will be having attributes such as priority, status, owner, category. Link and link module. So indoors we can create link and link module. So by this we can connect our system requirement to software requirement and to test case. So traceability. So here like I discussed, we can link this stakeholder requirement to system requirement, then system requirement to software requirement, and software requirement to test case. So this is known as traceability. So we can trace test case from stakeholder requirement and and stakeholder requirement from test case. So this is called traceability. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. I will soon post the part 2 of this video. Thank you very much.